Yeah, he won't let me pet you when you're on the camera. Rocco won't let me pet him when he's on camera. He wants to be famous. He doesn't want to be pet while he's on camera. Hi. That's his nose. Rocco, you don't like being pet while you're on YouTube. Guys, Rocco doesn't like being pet when he's on YouTube. Rocco! I'm just gonna follow Rocco. Yeah. Rocco! I'm trapped! That's my cousin who doesn't want to be on YouTube right now. Fine. Turn it off. I do not want to be in the video. I was only telling him that you didn't want to be in it. No, stop me. Do you want to make this video special for him?
Dash, can I have those, please?
He has goggles.
Dash, can I have those, please?
He just dropped them.
Thank you.
Good boy, Dash. Rocco. Do you want to be on YouTube and make this video special for Jaden? He doesn't want to be in the video, but he probably wants to watch it. Do you want to make it special for him? No, you just want to fight Dash because you don't like him. Come on, Rocco. Come on, Rocco. Dashy. Dashy? What you doing? What you doing? See, that's their other pet, Dash. He's only a little puppy. He's not even 1 year old, but he's like a moose. He's bigger than Rocco. He's like 14 already. Cam, you want to be in the video? No. I think make you feel better. Well, don't do that. I first love you as a preset and folk. That will not make him feel better. Hey, Cam, do you want to make this video special for him so it feels better? Nope, I guess not. Bye. Dash, will you say I love you to Jaden? And I hope you feel